my channel. Today I'm here with my little brother Jack. Yay! Hi. Today we're gonna review some of our books. This is the Owl Night. No, this is from the Big Bad Wolves. Here is one of our books. This is Moonlight Animals. We can check it inside. Let's see. Ooh, there's a torch here, so it's nighttime. It's nighttime in the big forest, and all the nocturnal animals are awake. Let's go to the edge of the lake where an owl lives. Now let's see here.
So it's like the torch, and you need to find these all animals, right?
Yeah. So let's try and find the bat. Where could
Do they have
be?
find the bat? Where's the bat?
Hey,
using the torch.
This. Here.
Ah, yay! We found the bat.
Oh, and here's the rabbit.
Yes.
Let's see.
We
have to find a hedgehog.
Yes.
Oh, and we also found a frog.
What?
The mouse. Here is the fishes.
It's cool, yeah. The torch.
Yeah. And
Another
there's
fish.
The other page.
Yeah. Oh.
This is about the frog and.
Let's find the worm. Here are the worms.
Whoa.
So cool.
What the frog?
Jake, that's not a worm, that's a tadpole. Oh, by the way, we found it, the tadpole.
Yeah, tadpole. What is tadpole?
Tadpole is the frog's baby.
Oh, frog's egg, yeah.
Yeah, they already been hatched.
Ooh, so cool, yeah.
Owl!
It's like
Owl! Owl!
Yeah, good catch. Cool.
A bat!
Yes.
We need to find the squirrel. I don't know.
Here!
That's a cow.
Here!
Here's a cat, we found it. Oh, and here's a snake. Dangerous animal.
Yes.
And then dog.
Oh, I think here's the... let's see where the spider has gone to. But... Let's go to the next page. Interesting.
Let's go to
There's
this.
the fox and
Yes.
owl.
We just have a quick review, okay? So,
And here is the one also.
end of the story.
And
Now we review others book.
This book.
oh, do you think so?
Predator.
Yeah, this
So
book is
big.
yeah, this book is so cool. You can even see the page.
Ooh, what is it?
I think that's a lemur.
A snake.
No, it's the stalker.
Stalker.
A snake.
Yes, snake.
It's the ambush, the world's longest snake, the reticulated python.
An ant.
This is actually good book.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Because
I
you
see
can
an ant
explain
before.
everything about
Hey,
predator.
hey,
Ooh, cool.
hey.
Yeah.
It's a no. Do you know, Ma? Before I see an ant before.
An ant?
Okay. Ant.
An ant? What?
A spider.
ant.
A spider.
Oh, a spider. Is there any spider outside? No.
In the sky.
Yeah, it's sky.
So cool. It's
Yeah.
my sister.
Now it's actually our play or study room.
Wild dogs.
Whoa.
Desert hunters.
Desert hunter. So cool.
Ooh.
He really loves this book.
cheetah.
Wow, river
flamingo.
No, that's not a flamingo. That's a spoonbill. There is.
Oh, a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can learn from here.
Alligator snapping turtle.
It is a polar bear.
No, I think.
I think this is one of Jack's favorite
What is this?
book.
What is this?
Yeah.
What is that? Is a
Crocodile.
yes, alligator actually. A.
Yeah.
What
Look
letter
at
is this? What letter is this? Alligator. Yes, A.
Look at this
Alligator.
dinosaur attack. The dinosaur and alligator or crocodile is attacking.
Okay. Ooh,
Ooh,
Sky
an
hunter.
owl. An owl.
this is good.
That's an
And
owl.
the material is
That's
also
an
good.
owl.
Yes, owl.
A shark.
Yes.
Coral sea killers.
Yes.
Hammerhead shark.
Did you know that?
You know hammerhead. Yeah.
Did you know that orca is called? I think this is a baby shark.
Yes.
Did you know that orcas are called the wolf of the sea because they hunt with a pack?
This is hard
Oh,
book.
now
Oh,
Ooh.
see, it made a sound.
Yes.
Magic friendship songs. You can hear the sound. See this one? It's Twilight Sparkle. Let's play the song. Did you ever see a pony? Pony, a pony. Did you ever see a pony make magic like that? Look at this. It's Pinkie Pie.
Yes. Pinkie Pie, I think this is the song.
Yeah. Pinkie Pie, jump around. Pinkie Pie, make a sound. Pinkie Pie, smile and trot. Pinkie Pie, like a lot.
this dragon.
Yes.
Rain, rain, go away. Rainbow dashes on her way. She'll clear the clouds so we can play. Rain, rain, go away. It's Applejack. Applejack runs along. Doo-doo-da, doo-doo-da.
Doo-da.
Applejack, she's brave and strong. Oh, doo-doo-da day.
Okay, is it done?
Yeah.
It's the small book.
I guess so, but never mind.
It's using battery.
Yeah, we used the battery already.
Here you go.
Oh, okay. Here's the princess.
Yeah, this is when you're small.
Yeah,
What number is this, Jack?
I think
One,
Good.
I think Jack
Two,
can also learn it now.
4,
It's not just for me
Five.
only now.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He's been practicing how to count.
Yeah, and this can be flipped off.
I
Can
think
open it.
over here. But I
Mickey
can't.
Mouse.
Here's it.
Mickey Mouse.
See, we can open this one. 2.
This can open also.
This
Flower.
Number 2.
Yes, number
Along
2.
comes the other, and then they are 3.
Me. A duck.
Let's open.
And this is, I think this is good for
Even though
nursery.
this is already an old book, it's kind of still nice.
Yeah. I think this is about 3 years later. Yeah, I buy 3 or 4 years later.
I think years ago, 10 years ago, I think.
Let me help you, sister.
Let's interview this one. This is the
Wow.
because you can do art supplies with it.
Art.
Let's go
stencil.
shop again.
Pop out stencils.
Let's go shop again.
What is this today?
Oh, butterfly.
Yes, butterfly.
Let's go
Can you
see.
shop again?
Agak bisa itu.
Yang bisa copotin yang di dalam.
See this one? I think this is the grasshopper because it
I
has a
can't
grass-
shop it.
Here is the
Yes.
ladybug, and here
See?
is. I think this is the baby grasshopper.
Hey, give me.
So here is like the mom grasshopper, and then this is her baby.
This is his honey.
No, that's a ladybug. Different. Put it back inside.
Here, let me help you.
It's okay.
Cool. Wow, can you shop again too?
Yes.
Yeah. Here's a mosquito.
It's actually
Oh.
explain about
Oh. A
Water
spider.
no. It's
Yeah.
mosquito from the baby mosquito
Oh,
and then bigger and bigger.
I can pet you. Ding, ding.
Ow. Got peck.
Yeah.
This got right.
I think it's kind of old already.
No, this first.
Okay, let's do this wing part first. Do the wingy part. Jack, where's the other piece?
This one.
No.
This already.
Yeah. Let's go put it in now and we'll see the other ones.
Because have short time, we just quick review about this, okay? We're not.
Ooh,
Open
shop
all of
again another one.
Look. No, don't.
Please.
This is the process
Yeah,
to
so,
become big butterfly
Yeah, there's a caterpillar.
from the
and then
caterpillar.
the caterpillar start as an egg and
An
then a
egg.
caterpillar. And then-
Caterpillar.
Yeah, and then it's prepared, so it eats a lot, and then it goes into a cocoon,
A butterfly.
and then
Butterfly.
it hatch out by itself with the muscle, and then just turn to a butterfly.
Wait.
So cool. That's the life cycle of the butterfly.
Yes. Life cycle.
Like we sometimes have the life cycle too.
Ooh.
It's the process for the
Glowworm jar.
Yes. It's okay. No need to open. We just have a quick
But I want
review.
to play it. Play it.
Okay.
Okay, you can play. You can take one to play, and JJ will review another. Okay.
You can only take one.
I want to take two.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, and here's the life cycle of a spider, I
Ooh, I
guess.
don't want this anymore.
Then we need to put it.
Oh, it's kinda get out by itself.
Yeah.
I
So.
think this is a moth.
Yeah, moth. See, that's moth.
Okay, oops.
Oops.
Here's a spider, baby spider. And then the spider gets big and bigger.
Is it spider?
Yeah.
I can get it. Ooh.
Okay. Be careful.
Hope not push up.
Oh, not.
The material is also good. See,
Yeah.
hardcover.
Ooh.
I think this is the mom spider.
It's the big spider, you mean?
Yeah, the big spider is the mom, I guess. And here is the older kid, and this is their baby.
Let's go. Let's go to big. Okay.
Put it here.
Let's go to another room. Dang, dang, dang,
Nang,
dang.
nang, nang, nang.
Let's see this.
At least I can play with this.
Okay. If you want to play at your playroom, just go. It's okay.
I just want to play.
This is the puzzle about vehicles.
Yeah, this book belongs to, and you can write whatever name. Whoa! Oh. Road roller. Bye.
Just open it quick.
Yeah, airplane, helicopter, submarine. Oh, and here's the puzzle.
Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool. Yeah, but because we don't have much time, we'll just review it. Quickly review it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now close.
Here is the busy.
Oh, become this big puzzle.
Yeah.
Like a mattress.
Oh, and look at this. This is the busy airport. The busy airport is so cool. Let's open it. Cool. You can just do like this and then like this. Open this so you can see what's inside. Here is the other one. Look at this. It's so cool. And you can...
Quite interesting for small children actually, yeah? Maybe for like Jack, maybe about 3 or 4 years old children. Quite interesting. Even for you, still interesting?
Yeah. This is cool. Beep. And here's the X-ray one for check inside. Okay, let's see this. Okay.
It's about the airport. It's all about the airport, yeah?
Yeah. Passenger paid points. Oh, that's what this. This is so cool.
Passenger
This is
paid.
the door to the airplane. Tunnel. And
Yes.
here's the door.
It's explain everything about the airport.
Oh, and here's the plane, the wing, this, the overhead locker. So cool. And look, there's a cat inside here.
Yes.
Oh, and here's the other one. And here's the bathroom.
Cool.
Yeah, like that. Oh, and here is the seat, right? We can try and open it. Oh.
There's another series beside the airport. Busy farm, building, town, police station, zoo. We have the zoo, right? But I don't know where is it. Need to
Let
find
me
it.
see. I think I really love this, and this. I really love it
Yeah.
because it's cool. Look at this one. This is a cool book. Let's open it.
Zoo train, and we can open it.
Yeah. Let's open it. Cool.
Oh, it can make a train. Yeah,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
If we combine it all together,
Yeah.
can just open and combine it, and it became a train.
My little brother really loves monkeys
Like this.
a lot. He loves monkeys.
Yeah. If we open it, it will be like this. Become a
Yeah.
train.
Yeah. Okay, here is the busy little boat. And
Hey, where is the boat? Missing?
yeah.
Oh, maybe in the toy room.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can open it. Become so big.
Yeah, my brother sometimes like to make it missing or something like that.
No, it's not missing. It's on toy room, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to put it on the
Book.
ground maybe because it's so big if we open it all.
Ooh, make a cracking noise.
So big. It's okay, it's okay.
Danger. Here, let's put it up. There. Here is another book. So
There's a
cool.
stamp on it.
Yeah.
Stamp.
This is where you can stamp some of it.
okay. We just quick review.
Yeah, look at this. We already been stamping it.
Yes.
We already
There's
been.
the stamp pad on here also.
Yeah, we already stamped some of it like that. Oh, and here is a bug. It's
And we
fairy
can learn
tale.
something about nursery thing on here.
And this is the book about fairy tales, but it's in the Haza Indonesian. But it's
Bahasa.
Indonesian.
Yeah.
Snow White. She reads the fairy tale and has this pinky
Princess
one.
Collection.
Yeah, I really
Oh,
love
there's a story about.
This has a story about
Help me to put it. Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella,
the Snow White and the
Mermaid.
Seven
Yeah.
Dwarfs.
and the Brave. There's a story about Brave, the Merida, right?
Yeah.
The one with the
Curly red hair.
and archery, right?
Yeah, she really loves archery.
Yeah.
Her mom is Queen Leah, I guess. Okay, let's see the next book.
Merida, mom, Queen Leah.
Look at this. I can change it. Okay, let's see.
Slide and seek in the safari.
Safari.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah. Super duper cool. Lion, tapir, mongoose. So cool. This is warthog and ostrich. Ooh, ostrich is my favorite. It's the volcano. Oh, here's the ostrich.
So we can find this on here. They told us to find it.
Yeah. I really love spinning it around. So it's
There's another version. This is the version of Safari, and this is about this.
yeah. Let's get the other book. This is kind of heavy.
Yeah.
It's huge. Massive.
This is one of Jack's most favorite book, actually, right?
Yeah, it can make sounds.
Yes, and the sound is based on each of the picture. This, see, there's the picture, and we can read the story for the children, and they will like it.
Next book.
About reptile.
Yeah. This is kind of my favorite because this is this is so cool. And if I do like this, it's kind of tickly.
Oh,
And it can also change color. See, red, blue, red, blue. So cool. Look at this. There's a story about it. So you can take it open like that.
yeah, and actually we can feel the texture.
Yeah, sometimes we can feel. Oh, here's the texture. It's
Yeah.
soft. It's
Yeah.
soft. That's the inside of it.
It
So,
explains the texture of the animal.
yeah. So, oh, can feel. So cool. Here's this is an Indian starred tortoise.
This texture is they
Glittery.
make it just same like
Yeah.
the
Oh,
real animal. What is this? Turtle.
Yeah, it's called the Indian starred turtle. Turtle. Oh, and look, this day hibernation. It means they sleep during the winter too. Or they can
also
sleep
can open
fall until to the winter, and then they wake up on summer and spring. Ooh, look at
Help
this.
me. Help me.
Oh, look, these are the Indian females mate, they perform a dance, which may last for a few hours. 6 weeks later, the female finds a suitable place to lay her eggs. Cool.
Yeah, so many we can learn from here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's here.
Yeah, we can open it also. Yes.
Thorny devil. Can you? Hey.
It's fall down.
Yeah, it's called a
Fall down,
light.
did it?
Yeah.
Wait, did it? It fall down.
Next book.
Oops. The bigger part first. The bigger part first, did it?
Oh, this book is so cool. Seek and find. At home.
This is one of your most favorite book last time, when you small.
Can you find these? Clock, books, flowers, ball, plant, bunny, slippers, tractor, flames, remote. Oh, cool. There's another one. So cool. Can you find these? Clock, hat, robot, soccer ball, pants.
And we can circle it with some magic pen, and we can erase it.
Or marker. And here are some of the magic pen we already been it. Doll, castle, sun, block, swan, rocket, controller, scissors, dress, airplane. And here's this. It's also kind of Jack's favorite because it makes sound. The wheel on the bus goes running round, running round, running round. You can also have them make a song about it. It is Humpty Dumpty.
Yeah, this is all nursery rhymes.
Yes.
It's Itsy spider, but in here, Incy Wincy spider. Climb up the water spot.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yes. And we can just push it and it will have the rhymes.
Yeah. Here's another one. It's a quote. That's a marker with it.
Yeah.
I think we bought this 10 years ago. I don't know.
No, about 3 or 4 years ago.
And here's another one.
Actually, we have a lot of this book, right?
Yeah, and
Like this.
And we have this. Help the dinosaur get to its egg. Cool. It's a girl dinosaur because it has eyelashes.
It has the marker also. Yes.
There, I think I know the path. See this?
Yeah.
I'd go there.
Find the difference, find its path, and about the numbers. This is about the shape.
Yeah.
This is about the opposite.
Day,
Matching
night,
bells.
fast, slow.
Words, dot to dot, spelling, matching.
Connect the shadows.
Yes, object and numbers. This is, maybe we can take it to Nana's house to let Jack learn it, right?
Yeah.
Last time for you and now for Jack.
Yeah. Oh, and I think this is the way how I draw. This is how I draw. Tell me how to draw.
Yeah, it has the clues how to draw.
This is what I
Step by
draw.
step.
This is,
This is when you 3 years old.
yeah, I tried to draw it, but I caught. Kind of hard.
No, it's not hard. It's just you not practice a lot. This is quite good for 3 years old.
cheerful cheetah.
This is
And
quite
here's-
good for 3 years old.
Look at this. Here's a
Yeah.
lively llama.
Yeah, this is good.
I love this one because swans are my favorite.
Yeah, and it have blank page, you see,
Yeah, we have some blank pages so we can have some space to do it.
to more practice.
Yeah. Oh, and here's another one, how to draw. It's more heavier.
This is maybe more advanced.
Yeah. Fairies. I love it.
It has so many themes about fairies, about animal.
There is an elf.
Yeah,
A queen
so
elf,
many,
I
so
guess.
many.
A
About what is it?
sprite
Fairy
tiger.
tale princess.
Fairy tale princess.
Yeah, step by step.
Prince Charming, the queen.
There's so many. About animal, ocean,
Yeah.
baby animal.
The baby
So many
Yeah, the
themes.
baby animal is so cute. I love it.
Yeah.
And this one
So you
has
can
a,
see from here.
yeah, this one also has a mermaid, I guess.
Mm.
Some of them has a mermaid that can fly. And we have this one, amazing warrior. We have a unicorn.
Yeah. Oh, this is one of Jack's favorite also.
Here it is.
See, there is the themes about fairies, fairy tale princess, baby animal, ocean, fashion, fantasy,
Jack's
garden, horses.
Turn the heel. Something to get book.
Yeah, we already opened it, and it have the space,
Yeah.
so it all won't messing around.
Yeah.
See, we already,
Yeah, he put it inside there.
so it not keep.
Yeah, he sometimes don't want to keep it in here, so he sometimes have to put it here somewhere like that. Get out.
No.
This is kind of hard. Mom, why do you have to do that? Okay, let's open this one. Okay. Get it out. Get it out. Okay. Let's put it. Let's see. Put it over here. So
It have the name, so we can learn, right?
yeah, it's a paintbrush. This is Bob. I never heard of this movie yet.
Bob the Builder.
Yeah. Spirit level. So cool. Get inside. Here is a hammer. I know. I also have a real hammer, but not the toy one. I also have a toy hammer that is like a real one. Chainsaw. I need to stick it. I didn't think so. Chainsaw. We need a wrench to put it back. Okay. Let's go back to this one. Here are the people. This is Leo. Can't wait to.
Wendy.
Huh?
This is Wendy because it's girl.
She has nice blonde hair.
This B must be Bob, I think.
Yeah. No job.
Oh, but all of these B.
Yeah, look, it says no job is too big or too small for Bob and his team. So cool. I think these are their tools. Wendy's yellow toolbox. So this is Wendy's. This is red. Or
So
Leo.
Bob is blue, yeah.
So Bob's toolbox is blue. They have different color of toolbox.
Yeah, if not different color, they can switch it off.
Yeah.
That switch.
If they have the same color, they might got switch.
Yes.
I think this is Dizzy, because it says Dizzy the name. Here it is, and put it.
Nice.
Okay, there, done.
Done.
Let's put it in.
Yeah, and this will make easier to take, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like our suitcase,
Yes.
like our luggage.
So if we wanna go somewhere, we just take one of these so Jack can play with it.
Yeah.
So no need so many things, so many box, right?
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you have any question, you can click on the comments. And if you want us to review some of our other books, you can comment it below. And if there's any favorite book you like in here, you can comment it below too. See you next time. Bye. Oh, and subscribe to my video and like my video.